Asset.
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 资产
The company's assets include real estate and stocks.
公司的资产包括房地产和股票。
Liability.
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 负债
The company's liabilities include loans and unpaid bills.
公司的负债包括贷款和未付账单。
Equity.
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 股权
The company's equity is divided among its shareholders.
公司的股权分配给其股东。
Bond.
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 债券
The government issued bonds to finance its projects.
政府发行债券来为其项目融资。
Stock.
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 股票
The company's stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange.
公司的股票在纽约证券交易所交易。
Mutual fund.
Mutual fund.
Mutual fund.
Mutual fund.
共同基金
The mutual fund invests in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds.
共同基金投资于多元化的股票和债券组合。
Hedge fund.
Hedge fund.
Hedge fund.
Hedge fund.
对冲基金
The hedge fund uses complex investment strategies to generate high returns.
对冲基金使用复杂的投资策略以获得高回报。
Derivative.
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 衍生品
The bank offers a range of derivatives, including options and futures.
银行提供一系列衍生品，包括期权和期货。
Interest rate.
Interest rate.
Interest rate.
Interest rate.
利率
The central bank raised interest rates to control inflation.
中央银行提高利率以控制通货膨胀。
Credit rating.
Credit rating.
Credit rating.
Credit rating.
信用评级
The company's credit rating was downgraded due to its high debt levels.
由于其高债务水平，公司的信用评级被下调。
Credit score.
Credit score.
Credit score.
Credit score.
信用分数
The bank uses credit scores to determine whether to approve a loan.
银行使用信用分数来确定是否批准贷款。
Mortgage.
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 抵押贷款。
The couple took out a mortgage to buy their first home.
这对夫妇拿出了一笔抵押贷款来购买他们的第一套房子。
Refinance.
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 重新融资。
The company decided to refinance its debt to lower its interest payments.
公司决定重新融资以降低其利息支付。
Collateral.
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 抵押品。
The bank requires collateral in order to approve a loan.
银行要求提供抵押品才能批准贷款。
Default.
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 违约。
The company went into default on its loan payments.
公司未能按时偿还贷款。
Foreclosure.
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 查封。
The bank foreclosed on the homeowner's property after he failed to make his mortgage payments.
在房主未能偿还抵押贷款后，银行查封了他的房产。
Investment.
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 投资。
The company made a significant investment in research and development.
公司在研究和开发方面进行了重大投资。
Portfolio.
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 投资组合。
The investor's portfolio includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds.
投资者的投资组合包括股票、债券和共同基金的组合。
Capital.
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 资本。
The company raised capital by issuing new shares of stock.
公司发行新股，筹集资本。
Dividend.
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 红利。
The company paid a dividend to its shareholders.
公司向其股东支付了红利。
Earnings.
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 收益。
The company's earnings increased by 10% last quarter.
公司上个季度的收益增长了10%。
Revenue.
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 收入。
The company's revenue was $1 million last year.
公司去年的收入为100万美元。
Expense.
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 费用。
The company's expenses include salaries, rent, and utilities.
公司的费用包括工资、 租金和公用事业费用。
Profit.
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 利润。
The company's profit margin was 20% last year.
公司去年的利润率为 20%。
Loss.
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 损失。
The company suffered a loss due to a decline in sales.
由于销售下降，公司遭受了损失。
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
资产负债表。
The company's balance sheet shows its assets, liabilities, and equity.
公司的资产负债表显示其资产、负债和股权。
Income statement.
Income statement.
Income statement.
Income statement.
损益表。
The company's income statement shows its revenue, expenses, and profits.
公司的损益表显示其收入、费用和利润。
Cash flow statement.
Cash flow statement.
Cash flow statement.
Cash flow statement.
现金流量表。
The company's cash flow statement shows its inflows and outflows of cash.
公司的现金流量表显示其现金流入和流出。
Audit.
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 审计。
The company hired an auditor to review its financial statements.
公司聘请了一位审计师审查其财务报表。
Tax.
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 税。
The company paid $100,000 in taxes last year.
公司去年支付了10万美元的税款。
Capital gains.
Capital gains.
Capital gains.
Capital gains.
资本利得。
The investor realized a capital gain of $10,000 on the sale of his stock.
投资者在出售股票时实现了1万美元的资本利得。
Capital losses.
Capital losses.
Capital losses.
Capital losses.
资本损失。
The investor suffered a capital loss of $5,000 on the sale of his stock.
投资者在出售股票时遭受了5000美元的资本损失。
Futures.
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 期货。
The trader bought futures contracts to speculate on the price of oil.
交易员购买期货合约以投机石油价格。
Options.
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 期权。
The investor bought a call option to profit from a rise in the stock price.
投资者购买看涨期权，以从股票价格上涨中获利。
Bear market.
Bear market.
Bear market.
Bear market.
熊市。
The stock market entered a bear market after a series of economic downturns.
经过一系列经济下滑后，股市进入了熊市。
Bull market.
Bull market.
Bull market.
Bull market.
牛市。
The stock market entered a bull market after a series of positive economic indicators.
在一系列积极的经济指标后，股市进入了牛市。
Index.
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 指数。
The stock market index tracks the performance of a group of stocks.
股市指数跟踪一组股票的表现。
Dow Jones Industrial Average.
Dow Jones Industrial Average.
Dow Jones Industrial Average.
Dow Jones Industrial Average.
道琼斯工业平均指数。
The Dow Jones Industrial Average is a widely watched stock market index.
道琼斯工业平均指数是一个广泛关注的股市指数。
Nasdaq.
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 纳斯达克。
The Nasdaq is a stock exchange that specializes in technology companies.
纳斯达克是一个专门从事科技公司的股票交易所。
NYSE.
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 纽约证券交易所。
The NYSE is the largest stock exchange in the world.
纽约证券交易所是世界上最大的股票交易所。
SEC.
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 美国证券交易委员会。
The SEC is a government agency that regulates the securities industry.
美国证券交易委员会是一家监管证券业的政府机构。
CFTC.
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 美国商品期货交易委员会。
The CFTC is a government agency that regulates the futures and options markets.
美国商品期货交易委员会是一家监管期货和期权市场的政府机构。
FINRA.
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 金融业监管局。
FINRA is a self-regulatory organization that oversees the securities industry.
金融业监管局是一个自我监管组织，监督证券业。
Basel III.
Basel III.
Basel III.
Basel III.
巴塞尔协议3。
Basel III is a set of international banking regulations designed to strengthen the banking system.
巴塞尔协议3是一套旨在加强银行体系的国际银行监管规定。
Dodd-Frank Act.
Dodd-Frank Act.
Dodd-Frank Act.
Dodd-Frank Act.
多德·弗兰克法案
The Dodd-Frank Act is a U.S. law that regulates the financial industry.
多德·弗兰克法案是一项监管金融业的美国法律。